Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria. First step to smelling good, like you want to smell good, you want to smell like a snack. Good is proper hygiene. And when I mean proper hygiene, you have to learn to shower daily. You can't say you want to smell good and you just go and apply roll-on when you have not even had your bath and you say you want to smell good. How is that even possible? How will you smell good? Like how? Why? How? I've seen someone that takes her bath every other day. Like the person does not take her bath every day. Why? Why are you not bathing every day? Like why? But if you cannot bathe morning and night, you can at least bathe once a day. But bathing once a day is only if maybe you don't go out of your house. You're always indoors. Anything that make you step your feet out of your house and you know that you are out under the sun. You go wherever you want to go to and you come back to the house and you say, because I have had my bath in the morning, so no need for me to bathe in the night. Please, please, learn to bath. Please just go and take your bath. That is the number one step to smelling good. Learn to brush your teeth very well. Get a good toothpaste. Get a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Okay, this is the toothpaste that I'm currently using, the Oral-B Pro Health toothpaste. You can get this one. You can get something like this. Go to the supermarket, your local market. This one, I got it for 850 naira. 3 brush in one. 3 in 1 for 850 naira. You see, it's not even expensive. This is how I used to buy it. If I buy 3 like this, I will be using it. Like if I use one after 3 months, sometimes it will not even reach 3 months. I will change it to another one. Learn to always change your brush. And you also learn to use a toothpaste. Another toothpaste that you can use is this Colgate Max White. Oral-B Pro Health is also really nice. The thing that you can use is tongue scraper. Tongue scraper is a game changer on its own. It is really going to help to remove all those whitish things on your tongue. It will help to remove, because sometimes you will brush your teeth with your toothbrush. You do not really like clean that place, but tongue scraper will really go in and clean your tongue properly. It's expensive. I got this one for 500 naira at my local market. So get your hands on tongue scraper and thank me later. Another thing you need for your oral care, oral hygiene is floss. This floss, I just want to show you the pack. It's finished inside. But I'm just going to leave a picture of what it looks like. I'm sure that you must have been hearing about floss. See it, you put in between your teeth to remove food particles. There are some food particles that will be in your teeth, in between your teeth, that you will not even know that those such food particles are there. You include a dental floss in your oral care. Next is for you to always moisturize your skin. Learn to use a good moisturizing body lotion, a good scented moisturizing body lotion. Okay, this is going to help to make your skin to be soft, smooth, moisturized. Okay, sometimes your body lotion might not really moisturize your skin, like make your skin to glow. Then you can now go ahead to use a body oil. Like the body lotion I'm using right now is a Dr. Teal's body lotion. This is the body lotion I'm currently using, and it's really doing its job. The thing about this body lotion is that it's not moisturizing. This body lotion is not moisturizing. It's not going to, give you that moisture, that rich moisture, especially in this harmattan. So what I normally do after applying this body lotion, I go ahead to apply this Desert body gel oil. Okay, these two together does the job for me. Like it glows my skin, it evens out my skin tone and balance everything for me. Okay, this smells so edible, especially this one. It is a cocoa deep moisturizing body gel oil. You see this body oil right here? Oh my god, it smells so edible. It smells like chocolate. See this right here, this last giddy vanilla crush. You see this body mist? This body mist, this body mist is something else. This body mist is something else. This body mist is something else. This body mist smells so yummy. And the funny part is that it lasts, and I got it for the price of 3,000. This one that you're seeing here, 3,000 naira. This is 100 ml. I got it for 3,000. I was even telling my supplier, see, you see this body mist, they are going to give me like a carton of it because it is cheap. With your body mist, with that body lotion, with your body oil, it is going to make you smell so sweet. Another thing that is going to really help you to smell good is for you to always make sure that your hair is neat, clean. You don't carry dirty hair around. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I use to wash my hair. If I take down these braids, I'm using this thread to wash my hair. Your hair needs to be neat. You see all those dandruff, you get a dandruff treatment that you can use on your hair to treat dandruffs, okay? But make sure that your hair is always neat. That is the basic. Always make sure your hair is neat. Another thing that is going to help you smell good is to use a deodorant. This is a deodorant that I'm currently using. It is antiperspirant roll-on, okay? This is going to help to control sweat. And before you even go ahead to use roll-on, make sure that your armpit is properly shaved. Make sure that your armpit is properly shaved. Don't go and use roll on hairs on your armpit. Make sure that you always shave your armpit. If you leave your hairs like that and you sweat, see the kind of odor that will be coming out from your armpits. You don't even want to imagine it. You can trim your facial hairs, but you see your armpit hairs, learn to shave it. So when you apply your roller, it will sit on a clean armpit. Okay, and it's going to work better. You need to get a good body wash, okay? A good body wash or a good bar soap, okay? Dove brand is very good. You can get Dove bar soaps. They have different moisturizing bar soaps that you can try on your skin. But the one I'm currently using is the St. Ives pampering body wash in vanilla and oat milk. This one is also very soothing. It's a pampering body wash. Like when I'm using this body wash, it makes me feel so soft, so smooth, so calm. Like I don't just understand the feeling, but this body wash, I love vanilla scent a lot. I love anything vanilla, caramel. So that is why I got this vanilla and oat milk, and it smells so delicious as well. Like when I'm done using this body wash in the bathroom, my bathroom will be smelling so nice. When I come out from the bathroom and I now use this body mist on my body, oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, I don't want to talk too much, but you see this right here. Get a good body wash that smells so good. This is one of the things that is going to make you smell good. So last but not the least are fragrances, and I've already mentioned body mist. You need to get a good body mist. You need to get a good perfume based on what you like. This is the perfume that I'm currently using. This I don't even know what it's called. Veilles Roach and Romance. Veilles Roach and Romance perfume. Mm. This one, I don't even know. I can't even explain the smell. Like this one smell like I should just, spray it on my tongue and just be licking it like sweets. Most times I use only this one and my body mist, and I'm good to go. Okay, I'm not really doing too much when it comes to fragrances. I'm still trying to understand this whole fragrance thing, so I just get my hands on this. So you have to learn to always drink plenty of water, always learn to exercise regularly, because sweating helps to eliminate toxins from your skin, from your body. Okay, and not the least is for you to always eat healthy, because trust, whatever you put inside your body, that's what you're going to get. Okay, when you're eating too much junk, too much processed food, too much unhealthy food, it can really affect your body odor. Trust me. Learn to eat healthy food, okay? All these things together, and you start doing it consistently. Trust me, you are going to be smelling so nice every day. You'll be smelling so good every day. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you have more tips, please share in the comment section. We are here to learn together, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, this is the right time for you to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the videos I'm bringing on this channel. And I will also love you to like this video, share it, and I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.